going on, Mixing Nights? I am Nathan Mixon, your YouTube fitness coach, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do an alternating jump. Now with that being said, if you are Mixing Nights, make sure you flex on the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you consider subscribing, turn on your push notifications, all that good stuff. Now if you want a link to my jump rope, it's a 1-pounded jump rope. It will be in the description down below. If you missed last week's video, make sure you click in the right hand corner to check out how to do a basic jump. Now an alternating jump is going to be great for increasing your endurance. It's going to be a lot harder than the basic jump because you're using 2 feet. So you're putting your weight from one side to the next, and you can also speed this workout up. You can speed the workout up. So it's going to be a little bit more intense as you get more comfortable with it. So I'm going to show you a few basic steps. We're going to do it without the rope first to make things a little bit easier. So if you know how to run in place, it's going to be perfect for you. All right. So just think of yourself running in place, right? You're moving your arms just like so. But now you're jumping over a rope. So you're gonna have that invisible rope in your hand, and every time that rope hits the ground, 1 foot should be coming up. Now the key factor here is to make sure that your feet are no more than 1 to 3 inches from the ground. The closer your feet are to the ground, the faster you're supposed to be moving. Supposedly, you're supposed to be moving. All right, so now let's put a rope in our hand and do the same thing. All right, so I'm grabbing my rope, wrists are relaxed. All right, now what we're going to do, we're going to do one basic jump, and we're just going to jump over it, boom, and land on one opposite end foot. Okay, so you're just going to keep on repeating that motion until you get a full revolution right there. Is it revolution or revolution? Huh? Revolution. Okay, revolution, there you go. All right, so one over the other, just like that. Okay, my elbows are tucked in, my wrists are nice and relaxed and doing all the work for me. Okay, don't get too close with the camera. All right, so just like that. So you're just lifting up on one leg. Now the faster you move your feet, the faster that rope should be going. Okay, so what you want to do is at least 20 seconds on. So 20 seconds of alternating jump. Once you finish that 20 seconds of jumping, make sure you take 10 seconds of rest and go right back into it. All right, do this for a total of 5 sets. All right, with that being said, if you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you practice this move because it's going to come back, and yeah, turn your push notifications, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.